皆さんこんにちは、佐藤です。Today we are going to learn numbers. では始めましょう。Let's get this started. 1 1 sounds like itchy. 1 1 2 2 like knee. 2 2 3 3 like sun. 3 4 4 like yawn. 4 5 5 to go. 5 5 Please repeat after me. 1 2 3 4 5 Let's repeat until you remember the sound. 1 2 3 4 5もう一度 one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 Please don't say rock. It's 6 Lo is a top flap sound. Lo, lo. 7 7 like 7 7 8 8 Do you know the story of the dog called Hachi? Hachi is the most famous dog in Japan. I'm gonna cry if I talk about this, so please search Japanese dog Hachi if you are interested in it. 9 9 long Q Q 10 10 10 of juice 10 Please repeat after me. 6 7 8 9 10 Let's repeat until you remember the sound. 6 7 8 9 10もう一度 one more time. 6 7 8 9 10 6 7 8 9 10 How to say 11 is quite easy. 10 plus 1 10 is 10 in Japanese and 1 is 1 So 10 plus 1 10 plus 1 11 11 Please just combine them 11 11 So from 11 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 How about 20? Can you guess how to say 20? This is the hint. 2 is 2 and 10 is 10. 20 20 20 is 20 20 12 12 and 20 20 So from 20 20 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 How about this one? 21 20 plus 1 Do you remember how to say 20? 2 times 10 20 and plus 1, 1, 21, 21 is 21. So the structure is quite simple. If you remember how to count from 1 to 10, you'll be able to count till 99. You just need to combine the numbers. What is 1 in Japanese? 1, 1. This one? 2, 2. 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4. 5, 5, 5. 6, 6, 6. 7, 7, 7. 8, 8, 8. And 9, 9, 9. And 10, 10, 10. How about this one? 10 plus 3. 13. 10 is 10 and 3 is 3. 13. This one? 20 plus 4. 20 is 2 times 10. 20 and 4. 4. 24. 24. 61. 60 plus 1. 60. 6, 10 and 1. 1. 61. 61. 61. 85. 80 plus 5. 80. 8, 10, 8 and 10. 8, 10 and 5. 5. 8, 15. 85. 85. Last one. 97. 90 plus 7. 90. 9 times 10. 9. 9 times 10. 10. 90. 90 plus 7. 7. 97. 97. These are the number words we learned today. Some of them have more than one pronunciation. When you are just counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can also say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 is another way to say 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also okay. It's totally up to you which one to use. 7 and 9 as well. You can also say 14, 17, 19. However, 40 is unnatural. Sometimes it's used, but only in limited situations. So it's not common. And we don't say 70 and 90. We don't say like this. If it's too confusing for you, please just stick with the basic numbers we practiced today. you need to use these extra pronunciations when you use some counters. When we count specific things, we use counter words, like number plus counter. Depending on the counter, the pronunciation of the number is changed. For example, 9 years old is 9歳, 9歳. So we use Q here. But 9 o'clock is 9時, 9時. So this time, we need to use く. So it depends on the counter following the number. I know it sounds complicated, but first, please remember the number words we practiced today, the basic ones. And then when you learn about the counters, you will learn how the number words change their pronunciations. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。